While browsing through YouTube last week, we saw this green onion omelette pancake being made in Taiwan by the hundreds. Apparently 500 were made in a day. We thought it looked so easy and tasty that we had to try and make one at home. The street vendor used a pancake which they made from scratch. There is an art of kneading for making pancakes like this. If you get it wrong, the bread can become tough like the skin of a buffalo. But this guy, our chef, never made a pancake in his whole life. So instead of making from scratch and risk the chance of failure, we opt for ready-made frozen prata. Easy peasy. Look at that! The street vendor uses scary amount of oil. We use less for health reasons. Just like the street vendors, we will pan fry our frozen prata, flipping it from side to side until brown over low flame. When it puffs up like that, then we know it's ready. The next step street vendors do is adding eggs and green onions. Eggs is easy because everyone should have some in their fridge. Green onion? Maybe not. I guess you can substitute green onion for something else if you do not have any in hand. Onions perhaps? It does not need to be green, right? Add a bit of seasoning for flavor. The street vendors pour the eggs on their hot plate grill, then place a pancake on top. That sounds easy, so here it goes. Would be better if we can get the eggs in a circular shape, but it's just could not be done, no matter how many times we tried. If anyone have a better way, then tell us in the comment below. Some street vendors sell pancake with extra fillings. We are going to do that too and make this pancake into a complete meal. Now we are going to fold this pancake like an envelope. This is by far our favorite savory breakfast pancake because it is easy and very fast to prepare. Watch next how this same pancake or prata turned into an amazing sandwich that looks like a pie. A big thank you to everyone that's supporting us and of course,
subscribe for more cooking adventures from us.